Good morning, and here we go again. Another series of training updates. A couple of things are changing this time though. First one, obviously, I'm not sat in my office at home. A bit of multitasking going on. I'm going to do these on a Monday morning with my time on feet walking. I'd rather be outside than sat inside any day of the week. So that's the first thing I'm changing with them. Second thing is, they tended to drag on a bit last time, let's be fair. 8 to 10 minutes was too long. So I'm going to try and cut them down to half that time if I can. Maybe 4 minutes maximum. So that I must stop waffling, basically. Look, we're up to a minute already. Anyway, other than that, this is week 0, pre-training. So I'm just getting back into the habit of walking, running. I won't be doing any strength training this week because I'm still on light duties from the eyes, so to speak. That'll start next week. So yeah, format staying the same. It worked before, it might as well work again. There's a couple of changes to tweak. One of them is less time on the treadmill. Obviously we're coming into winter now, so less time needed to spend on the treadmill this time round. But the treadmill, unfortunately, is where I get elevation gain in the week, because it's flat here out this part of Abu Dhabi. So my plan when I do time on feet walking like this is to come out now, do 4k this morning, 6k actually, do 6k I think, and straight back in, jump on the treadmill, a couple more k with whatever incline I need to get that week's elevation gain. That's one thing I am changing slightly. I didn't really structure elevation gain last time. I just sort of winged it, knowing what I had to do for the race, and I winged it a bit. I probably overdid it actually. I probably did too much, which again isn't a bad thing. So at the moment I'm now structuring elevation gain as well on a weekly basis, more in line with the weekly running mileage. So we'll see how that goes. I might increase it if I feel it's not enough, but at the moment that's slightly changed. One other thing I am changing is I'm putting in a second strength training session. So I've got one dedicated to lower body strength, because I still think my glutes needed more work. A couple of days, the 2 days post Ultra X, yeah, I knew about it in my glutes, big style. Everything else seemed okay, but my glutes knew about it. And then the other thing is, then one day a week I'm gonna have a full body workout, because although I did upper body, I did tend to neglect it a little bit, I think. So I'm looking into that properly now as well. So other than that, it'll still be time on feet walking twice a week, 3 runs a week, and that's it. Like I said, if it isn't broke, why fix it? So there we go. So that's pretty much it for this week. There is no update, there is no distances. This is the first distance. This week is just about getting back into it, back into the routine of walking, running, ready to start again properly now next Monday. So anyway, that's pretty much it for now. See you next week.